In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Behance account. Now, whether you're moving on to new creative pastures or just tidying up your digital presence, knowing how to delete your account is important. We'll take you through each step clearly and concisely to ensure you can accomplish this easily and efficiently. Let's begin. First things first, you need to open your preferred web browser and go to the Behance website. Type in www.behance.net and press enter. Once the page loads, make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't already logged in, use your credentials to access your account. Next, you'll want to navigate to the settings page. To do this, locate the profile icon or your account image typically located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen and click on it. This action will reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, select Settings. This will direct you to the Settings page, which is where we need to be to proceed further. Once you're on the Settings page, look for the option that says Account Settings. You need to scroll down a bit to find the Delete Account option. Clicking on Delete Account is a crucial step, so make sure you're absolutely sure about your decision to proceed because all your projects and followers will be permanently removed. It's always a good idea to back up any important content you'd like to keep before moving forward. Now, as you continue, you must select I want to delete my Behance account. If you're sure about moving forward, this is the point of no return. So again, please ensure all your important data is securely saved elsewhere. Continuing on, you will need to read and agree to the terms and conditions regarding the deletion of your account. You'll see an option that says, I agree with the terms and conditions and want to delete my account permanently. By clicking on this, you confirm you've understood the implications of deleting your account. The next step is to enter your Behance username when prompted. This acts as a final confirmation that it is indeed you requesting the deletion. Type your username carefully to avoid any errors. Finally, you'll see a button labeled Delete My Account. Click on it to complete the process. With this final action, your account deletion request will be processed and your Behance account will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. That's how you delete your Behance account. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Stay creative and have a great day.